Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have something very optimistic for Bitcoin. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. What you will get is an automated system with 200 altcoins. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell, and it is very safe. Also, you will get a unique manual system with over 90% win ratio with long and short position. You will get benefits with the bearish market as well and profits throughout the bearish market. And of course, you will also get educational videos, personal guidance, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's see right now quickly the Bitcoin. And these are the logarithmic growth curves. They are based on Fibonacci numbers. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see it out. For example, this is the 50% Fibonacci. This is the 0.618 or the 61.8% and so on. Okay, and to the lower, we have the lower Fibonacci numbers, including some Fibonacci numbers like 10% and so on, which we do not care so much. But anyway, let's go back to all-time history. This is the graph, the logarithmic regression, the logarithmic graph of Bitcoin in all-time history right here. And you can see that we hold exactly the bottom line of the curve right there, except the fact when we had the Evergrande episode back on 12 March around there, 2020, in which we lost almost 33%, more than 33% actually in just one day. If I had to go to the daily frame, you would see what I would talk about. But anyway, we keep holding this line, except just for a few times right here, actually on 2020 and here on 28 September 2020 as well. So we hold all of these except few times, and now these lines are approaching the 29,000 Tether USD and so on. So based on this scenario and 30,000 Tether USD as we increase, okay, actually not Tether USD, USD. So as we get higher in the date and time, for example, as we get to go on to March, April, May, and so on, what we are seeing is the support levels increasing, and therefore the bottom should be, for now, let's say that today we had to go down, it should be at 29,300. Okay, this is a nice optimistic view using this tool right here, regression growth curves right there. Okay, logarithmic actually growth curves, and you can see that right now we are not in the bottom yet. We can go potentially further down, but the bears that say we can go easily to 20,000 Tether USD might be wrong with these growth curves, right? So this is very, very good, and especially for our regular bottom pattern, which might be the case right now. We will see about that. We haven't lost our chances yet for a flat running pattern after all. Okay, so what is a flat running pattern? I have said again, higher highs in the price, higher lows in the price, and then we go just to get even higher, pumping up from the bottom right here. Okay, and going even higher to test the above 69k with some higher lows, higher highs. But most likely this is now probably a regular bottom pattern. I have a very, very strong support level to tell you about Bitcoin's chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go to the USDT right there, because I want to see this graph instead of the previous one. And what we are going to see right now is the one very important support level. Okay, let's go to the daily frame so we can see it more clearly. So if I had to draw a very, very huge support level right here, it should be the 35.6k to 35.1k. If I had to draw our Fibonacci retracement line right there, it would be from the bottom to the top in order to find major support levels. You will see we have one more major support level around here that we are right now. We didn't close below the 36.8k, and we want to see though if we can manage to get past above also the growth line, the growth curve that we have right here as well. Okay, so it is possible to go down to the 35.6k, and from there, if we lose it, then expect a further drop down towards the 30 30,000, 31, 30,000 USDT. But if we do not lose this line, then we can continue to hope that we can have a flat running pattern, and therefore Bitcoin would go higher from now and go even higher, testing the 45.8k and going even higher. As with the news with Russia and Ukraine right there, you can see that we have some bad sentiments over there. The whole thing doesn't seem to stop, but I think that the president of USA, along with the president of Russia, actually will get to a point where they will be holding a meeting right there, and I feel like this whole situation will just stop and we will have good news by the next few weeks. Okay, so I do not feel like this will just have a strong impact on Bitcoin and on the other assets as well. But you can see right here that we are now holding this line, the 36.8k, a minor support level, but yet strong enough. It was our support level back when we called it on 3rd February and we started having this nice outbreak from Bitcoin. But right now we want to see what we are going to do on this day right here. The 35,600 to 7k is my last support level which I have before we go down. If we go down and close below from this line right here, around 35 actually 0.2k to 35.6, then we are going further down as well. Okay, so for Ethereum, let's see a little bit Ethereum. Ethereum is underperforming against Bitcoin. We should be having Ethereum following Bitcoin's trend. And of course, I do not expect Ethereum against Bitcoin pumping up anytime soon. It is very hard to pump up. We are on a weekly bearish RSI divergence, but let's see some very important resistance levels. Drawing the fib from the top to the bottom right here that we are having right now, Ethereum can manage to pull off the 2,664, maybe the 2,768 Tether USD. From there, it will be hard because we are approaching the 20-day exponential moving average. Okay, so right there we should be going even higher and possibly towards the 2,850, but at the end of the day we need to wait for Bitcoin to see actually what we are going to do. On the 4-hour frame, if we go here, Bitcoin is having a nice bullish cross. Bitcoin is having the commodity channel index into an oversold, some bullish RSI divergence right here that might be playing out, and Bitcoin might be going even higher for the very short term, testing again the 20-day exponential moving average. Okay, but we are going to see that things are not looking the best for the short term, for actually the next few days. For the short term, it's looking actually like we can maybe go to the 39,300 as well. We are going to see that. We are going to check it out. It has some good chances though. It has some potential to go even there if the bullish RSI divergences play out right now. You can see that we have constant bullish RSI divergence with lower lows. Okay, so we might be seeing some nice targets onto the 39,300 and of course the 40,800. So I want you to trade safely. I do not want you to have impatience. Patience is a virtue and it is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. Always remember, patience. Hold your coins, do not sell because someone else will buy them and therefore you are going to lose. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see the next videos of the day. Bye.